Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile loading on screen. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile loading on screen, you should just go to settings, then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list we'll search about this window of FIFA mobile. You will search about it here in this page until you will find it, as you see. Then this page we click on for stop, then we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you will wait a moment, and you can turn on your phone again on your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.